Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful wig. I went ahead and already made my custom unit. I customized it and did a cut. I like to go ahead and pretty much pre-do the wig before I add the color, just so I won't be coloring any hair that's going to be eventually cut or taken out, if that makes sense. So I went ahead, put a Walmart bag on my dome head and put the wig on there. You're going to need your 40 volume developer. You're going to need some gloves, your BW2 powder, and some aluminum foil. All can be found at Sally's. I used about 5 scoops and I went ahead and blended it in with the developer so it's already ready. And I'm just going to go ahead and section off the top of the wig. I'm going to do 3 sections like on both sides and then a piece in the back. I want 3 areas to be the brightest out of the whole wig. So I do this part first and then I let it sit there for maybe about 30 minutes and then I'll go in and finish the whole wig. So I got a highlight video already. I don't want to talk too much, but you just go in and do like the little highlighting technique where you go like up down to pretty much skip spaces in the hair. You put your aluminum foil there and then you apply your bleaching powder and developer on the hair and then wrap the foil up and continue to move. So yeah, continue to watch. So I want to say the key to getting the perfect highlights is doing this part right here. I turn my brush to the side and you want to do like little soft strokes, therefore the hair won't be blunt. And when I mean blunt, you don't want that line that's stopping from showing the hair being colored and the hair being black, because it does not look good. So this is the last section when I said I want to do 3 parts, the brightest. Once I have this folded up, I'm going to let it sit there for about 30 minutes and then I'm going to go in and complete the rest of the wig. So now that 30 minutes is up, I'm just going to go in and complete the rest of the wig. It's self-explanatory. Just continue doing the little highlight technique where you go up, down to skip spaces, or you can just go in and do whatever area you want to do. I prefer to do the up, down motion. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone, is as normal. Missing someone, and missing someone is as normal. So now I'm going in to check those 3 pieces to make sure it's coloring perfect. As y'all can see, once it's open, it's to the shade that I want it to be, just a tad bit brighter. So by the time I finish the whole wig, it should be to the perfect color. Missing someone, missing someone. Now that we're almost done, I'm about to go ahead and let that sit. This is the hair wash and blow dry. And now I'm about to show y'all the silk press, which is this. Yes, ma'am. And now y'all are about to see the final look. Wait for it. Bam, there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.